Hello, today we will draw front bodice pattern. Let's start with perpendicular line. This is example of perpendicular line. Let's now begin the measurement for vertical measurement. Let's start the vertical measurement. A to B is 3 inches. This is our letter B. A to C is 5 inches. Letter C. And A to D is the 1/2 of armhole, which is 16 divided by 2 is 8. So this is going to be your letter D. And A to E is the front figure, which is 16. And this is your letter E. Let us now square out the letters. So this is the vertical measurement. A to F is 3 inches. Then let's mark letter F. Okay. Let's use this French curve to connect B and F. Let's connect the letter B and letter F using our French curve. This one. Okay. Next step is A to letter G, which is 1/2 of your shoulder. If it's 14, 1/2 of 14 is 7. So, let's mark it. This is letter G. One and 1/2 downward. Let's measure 1 and 1/2 downward. Mark it. Letter H. Then connect F and H. Let's mark it. This is the steps for horizontal measurement for F and G and H. We measure the F 3 inches squared out, 3 inches, and G is the half of our shoulder, which is 14. Then, to get the H, measure 1 and 1/2, then connect the F and H. I already have that in our first video. And next is let's now proceed to get the letter I. To locate the letter I, we will measure from letter C, which is this one, measure the measurement of the 1/2 shoulder, which is 7. Same as the measurement of our letter G, downward, and minus the 3/4 of the measurement, which is 6 and 1/4. This is gonna be your letter I. We will now locate the letter J. To get the letter J, you have to measure the 1/4 of our bust. Since our bust is 32 to 33, the 1/4 of that is 8 and 1/4. Is this one? Measure it, 8 and 1/4. You can see here. Then plus 1/2. So it is equivalent to 1 and 3/4. 8 and 3/4. Okay. This be your letter J. We will now connect the letter H, J, H, I, J to form a armhole. Then it will look like this one from H, I, and J. Can measure it. There. And there. Let's mark it. Selecting letter H, I, and J to have the armhole. That's it. Let's just mark. Okay, to locate the letter K, we have to measure from E. Measure the 1/4 of our waistline. For example, my waistline is 28 divided by 4 is equal to 7 plus 1/2. So this will equivalent to 7 and 1/2. This will be my letter K. After locating the letter K, we have to connect the J and K, and this how. Connect the J and K. J and K. To locate the letter L, we have to measure A downward to the bust height, which is 10 inches. Let's mark it as letter L. And letter L. Measure L, square out, 3.5. 3.5, that will be your L. And to make letter M, all you need to do is measure the same downward from letter E, measure 3.5, then that will be your letter M. Then connect M and L. Just connect the letter L and M. This is the M and this is letter L. Connect it. That's mark. From M, let's measure 1/2 to the left and 1/2 to the right. This is the letter N and letter P. Let's mark. This is letter N. This is letter P. Let us now connect N to L, and P to L. Okay, this is your final, and this is your L, N, and T. So let's proceed now to the next step. Letter P, we have to measure 1 hop upward, then mark, smart, and let's write letter P. Then from E to P, let's connect the letter E to P. Okay. Let's start connecting the letter E to P. This is our front bodice. I hope you're able to learn.